In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add average engagement time per session in Looker Studio reports. If you're looking to gain deeper insights into your user behavior, this tutorial is just what you need. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along even if you're a beginner. To get started, open your browser and search for Looker Studio. Once you're on the Looker Studio homepage, you'll want to log in with your credentials. If you're new to Looker Studio, you might have to create an account first, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts, and soon you'll be ready to start. After logging in, navigate to your Looker Studio report where you want to add the average engagement time per session. To do this, you'll need to add a new field. Click on Add a Field, or you might see an option for Add Calculated Field. This is where we'll define the new metric. Next, you'll be prompted to name your new field. I recommend using a descriptive name like average engagement time per session. Naming it clearly will help you easily identify it later, especially if you have multiple calculated metrics within your report. With your field named appropriately, it's time to enter the formula. In the formula section, input user engagement, sessions. This formula will calculate the average engagement time by dividing the total user engagement by the number of sessions. Once you've entered the formula, make sure to click Save. This step ensures that the new field is added to your report correctly. Now that you've added your new field, the next step is to manage your data sources. Head over to Resource, then click on Manage Added Data Sources. Here, you'll find a list of all the data sources connected to your report. Locate and select the data source related to your new field, then click on Edit. Once inside the data source settings, find the field you just created, Average Engagement Time per Session. Its type will probably be set to number by default. This is usually okay, but if you need to change the data type for any reason, this is where you do it. Finally, you're ready to incorporate this new metric into your visualizations. You can add the average engagement time per session to scorecards, charts, or tables, just like you would with any other metric in Looker Studio. This addition can offer valuable insights into how your users are engaging with your content per session, helping you make more informed decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully added average engagement time per session to your Looker Studio reports. This will provide a clear view of how users are interacting with your service, enhancing your data analysis capabilities significantly. Happy reporting!